Hello friends, I'm Neha. Welcome again. This is a conversation between two friends. This conversation will help you to speak English without any hesitation. So without any delay, let's begin.
Hello, who is speaking? Hello, I'm Priya. You didn't recognize my voice?
Sorry, your voice is breaking. I can barely hear you. Do you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear your voice. Maybe network issue. And tell me, how are you, Priya?
I'm fine. You tell me. You remembered me after a long time?
There is no such a thing. Just a little work pressure was too much. And how is everyone at home?
All are fine. How is your mom?
She is also good. Has gone to the village.
You are alone at home?
No, me and my younger brother Mukesh.
Okay, I will talk to you later. My brother is calling.
That's okay.
Bye dear.
Bye.
I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then like and share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the upcoming video on time. Thanks for watching this video.